What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be unboxing my welcome package from SpeedCubeShop because I am now sponsored by them. So let's get unboxing onto this package. It contains like about $300, like $300+ worth of stuff I got. So this will probably be a good upgrade and I'll get better results in competition. Let's see what we get in here. Okay, so it's open. Okay, let's pull out the first thing. Look for it. Okay, what is this? Oh, okay. Uh-oh. So this is cube cover. I have to assemble this. I'll do it later. I got 5 loops in 15 milliliters. So I got the loop sampler in 15 milliliters plus Stardust. So this should help me pick which loop is best for my cubes. And I got this new timer, which my old one broke somehow. So this is a new timer. And then we're getting into the cubes now. So first, I got a V11. This is the maglev version. I got a new Aosu V7, the triple track. This is like too much stuff. Squeeze it all in. Okay. Next, I got a Chi Warrior 7x7 in UV. How about I do it here and open it? Here is the Ivan Squan. See, this is the Ivan Squan. This is the GAN V100. Yes, GAN V100. Then we have the GAN Megaminx. I was finally able to get this. And that's pretty much it. I don't know when my jacket's coming. So, I thought they would ship it, but I hopefully think it's coming soon. So, these are all the stuff that I got. And yeah, let's get to unboxing each of one of these. First item I'm going to be unboxing in this video is going to be the GAN Megaminx. And this is my first time trying this because this, like the past years, I've been using the Diane, and that's what I got my my Nevada record on. And yeah, let's get unboxing to this. Okay, here it is. Oh, it's already opened, but let me remove all this. Let's see what's in our accessories. Okay. GAN adjustment tool. There's a bag in here. And then you have a card and manual stuff. So that's all you get in the accessories. I will leave this out for later, but here we now have the actual Mega. Let's see, can I open this like that? No, I can't. How do I open this? Okay, here it is. Ooh. This is my first time feeling this. Let's see how it feels. Ooh. Why is it good out of the box though? Hold on, I'm gonna do like some some like last face S2L. I don't know what it's called. But yeah, this is like really good. Like I really like this. I'm gonna see what the tensions are, but they're gonna be really hard to take out because my fingernails are short. I'm probably not gonna take them out. I do have this adjustment tool. So yeah. So this is by far like the best Mega I've ever tried. Yeah, I really like this. I hope I can get better with it. I'm gonna do one more. Could have done the OLL. But yeah, this Mega is like really good. Time to move on to the next item. The next puzzle I'm unboxing is the Chi Warrior 7x7 Magnetic UV. So this is my new 7x7. So I haven't practiced for a long time. So this is probably going to be something... I'm probably going to be like 330 with it. But it's my new 7x7. So this feels small in my hands because I've never tried a really small 7x7. So let's see what the first turns are. Ay. Okay, so it's tight and I keep catching on every turn. But overall, yeah, I'm gonna have to like loosen this. But overall, I really like the cube. It's UV coated and it's magnetic. And I'm probably gonna be using this from now on in competitions. But it is like pretty tight on me because I can't turn. I'll do my first solve on this like right now. Next up is the Ivan Squan. Now this is my new Squan because I lost mine at Westerns of 2025. So thankfully I got a new one. So I'm gonna open it and see how it is. It's lightweight, but here, this is the Squan. Not worry too much about the accessories that comes with it, but here it is. This is the Squan. This is my first Squan in a while, so I'm gonna be like a minute or so on this. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to see if I can remember any algs I learned. There you go. I do remember JJ and JN and J. So yeah, I love the Squan. I'm gonna see if I can do a solve on this. By the way, these are the loops I got. 5 of them. So these two started leaking all of a sudden because when I found them, like my hands like got all like, yeah. So here I'm gonna unbox the Aosu WRM V7. Haven't solved on this in a while. This is my first ever solve on this. Okay, let's feel good unboxing this again since like 2024. This is when I got it. We already know what's in the accessories. Yo, why is it not coming out? There you go. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna compare it to this one. It just feels the same, except this is different now. But oh, it definitely did not feel this slow when I first got it. Let me do a solve on this. It did not feel this slow. When I first ever tried this, it was like really fast. Yeah, I might have gave myself an easy scramble right there. Oh. Yeah, I gave myself an easy scramble. So, 31. But it felt slower than last time. But, I mean, it's still a good cube though. Let me see, I'm gonna test all the PLO parity algs. Oh, I messed up. Whatever, I'm not doing this, but yeah, this is a really good cube. I really like it. It's because what I've been using is the GAN 460. This cube right here. Yeah. Here we have the V100 now. This is pretty much not going to give you the special logo because within like the first releases, it had the special logo, so I'm probably not gonna get one in this. So let's open it. Okay, here we go. Alright. Good to see the GAN case from like, I don't know. I used to have one of these cases when I had like one of the older GAN cubes. So it's great seeing these again. It doesn't open like usual, but here it is. I'm gonna see what's in the accessories. Does not have the special logo. And here's the can't open this. This is inside. Here's the adjustment tool, and then here's the base. I'm not reading all that, but let's just get into the cube. Ooh, this cube is nice. Wow. Probably will use this in competition. This is my first solve on it. 932. It's very light too. Yeah, it's a really good cube. And hopefully I learn how to use this thing, because it's not working for me right now. The last item I will be unboxing is the Waylong V11. So this cube is the maglev version and the 20 magnet ball core. So let me see if I can get my V10. Where is it? Here it is. Here's the V10. Oh, I have it set up right now. And then I'm gonna unbox the V11. Last cube I'm unboxing, so here it is. You got a card, and then you have the case. Ooh, it's a new case too. There you go. Oh, this feels different in my hands. What the heck? Let me feel my... It's my V10. The V11 feels different, so I haven't even turned it yet, but here's how it feels. Whoa, that feels different. It's tied out of the box too. I'm gonna do a test solve on it. It's very tight. Overall, it's pretty good. I'm trying to like maintain like a clean style instead of like turning aggressive, because I learned that if you turn very aggressively, it could break the core, then you won't have a V11. Oops. I don't know why I'm not showing my timer. I'll do one more solve. Yeah, I'm probably gonna main this, because then I would definitely set up on this. But all of these cubes are like really good compared to the V10. Let's see, what settings are these on? There you go. Oh, same exact center cap. Okay. Oh, just exact same. Pretty much the tool is gonna be the exact same. These are like really good cubes that I got. Thank you to SpeedCubeShop, and make sure you go buy these at SpeedCubeShop too. And thanks for watching. Peace out. So a day later, after I got all of these items, another package comes in, and this is my jacket, which came in a day after because I thought they would ship it in along with the items that I got, but here it is. And thanks for watching. Goodbye.